Welcome and thank you for viewing this video tutorial. This year, parents and guardians of West Babylon Junior High School students will be scheduling individual times to meet with your child's teachers on Parent-Teacher Conference Day, which will take place on November 16th, 2018 from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. To begin the scheduling process, please go to www.wbschools.org, which is the West Babylon School District webpage. Once on this page, click the Down tab and select West Babylon Junior High School. You may now go down to where it says Online Scheduler and select the Online Scheduler tab. Here you will find the West Babylon Junior High School listed, and below that you will be able to view and delete existing appointments with a confirmation number which you will receive upon the scheduling process being finished. So I'm going to go ahead and click on West Babylon Junior High School. Here, you're going to enter the passcode for the West Babylon Junior High School, which is the word EAGLE, E-A-G-L-E, all lowercase, and select Login. Here, you're going to enter your child's student ID number. That ID number can be found on your child's student picture ID card, on their schedule, or in the parent portal. You may also look up the student ID number by selecting the Look Up Student ID. This will allow you to enter the appropriate information and find the student ID here. If you're having difficulties, you may also consult with the West Babylon Junior High School Guidance Department. So here, we're going to be using a fictitious student named John Smith. And we're going to enter in fictitious student ID number and click Go. As an added layer of security, you'll be asked to verify your child's birthday. Here, John Smith's birthday is January 1st, 2015, but you will have the opportunity to select the month, the day, and the year of your child's birthday. We're going to go ahead and click Go, which will now take us to John's teachers. You'll see a listing of only 4 teachers here for demonstration purposes. You may check all of them by clicking Check All. You can uncheck all of them, or you can select them individually if you're doing a conference with some teachers but not all. Please note here it says, do you wish to schedule conferences with another student? So if you have another child at the junior high and you'd like to schedule conferences with several students, you would want to hit yes. In this instance, we're only scheduling it for one child, so we're going to go ahead and click no. So here we have the available time schedule, and you'll see a listing of John. So that's the child's name, and you see that there are 4 teachers listed, Mr. Hartranft, Mr. Hirsch, Mr. Horstman, and Mr. Perillo. So we're going to go ahead and start scheduling appointments. Here we'll pick 8 a.m. for Mr. Hartranft. Then we'll meet at 8:10 with Mr. Hirsch, at 8:20 with Mr. Horstman, and at 8:30 with Mr. Perillo. You may also note that there are red X's during certain time slots. This could be for several reasons. First reason could be that the teacher has chosen to have 10-minute increments for their meetings and conferences. The other reason could be that they could be booked during those time frames with another parent and another child's conference. So therefore, you will not be able to select those times. Once you've selected all the times and all the teachers that you'd like to use, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Another thing to note is that there is going to be a scheduled break from 11:15 a.m. until 12:15 p.m. for lunch. There'll be a second scheduled break from 2:15 until 3 p.m. Most teachers will be using those time frames to take scheduled breaks, but you may want to check their individual schedules to see whether or not they are deciding to have conferences at any point during those times. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and submit times. Here, you're going to have an opportunity to remove any of the scheduled conferences that you might see listed here. If everything looks like it's the way you want it to be, you're going to go ahead and click inside and enter your email address. This will allow you to receive an email confirmation. Once you've done that, click Make All Appointments, and a confirmation code will pop up. You're going to want to take note of this confirmation code, as it will be the way that you will be able to view any of your scheduled appointments or cancel any of your scheduled appointments. Once you click OK, an option will pop up which will allow you to print out this confirmation page and the schedule included. Here I'm going to cancel this out, so I don't need to print it at this time. Now you'll see a confirmation number as well. That's the same confirmation number, and it will give you an opportunity to note that a second time. At this point, you should have received an email. So let's go in and see the email. So here is the email that I received, confirming the appointments and also giving me the confirmation code. So at this point, your conferences are now scheduled, and you'll have an opportunity to meet the teachers at those appropriate times. Hope this video tutorial helps out. If you have any further questions, you may contact the junior high school main office at 631-376-7200. At this time, I'd like to thank you for viewing this video tutorial and look forward to seeing you on conference day. Thank you.